Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat dark mode in the Android, right? So if you just go to the Snapchat mobile application here, and if you just give all the required permission, and after that, just go to the chat setting, which is on the bottom here. And on the top left side corner, you can see your profile icon. So just click on there. And after that, you can see the settings icons here. You have to just click on there, which is on the top right side corner, and after that you have to see a dark mode. So basically in the Android you will not find any dark mode because the dark mode of Snapchat is only available in the iOS phone. So even though if you just go here, for example, if you just click on I need help, and if I try to show you that whether I'm saying right or wrong, so here it will take a very few seconds. On the search bar you have to search dark mode, right, and hit the enter. And after that you can see right now we didn't got any option, but here you will find this option how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So just click on there, and after that you can see that dark mode is currently only available for Snapchatters on iOS, right? So this is not this is only available in the iOS, not Android. But even though in your phone, if there is an option to turn on the dark mode, for example, you can see the dark mode is turned on my phone, this is also not working, then also it's not working on my phone. So you can just try out that, and if this work out, then it's great. So this is it guys. If you found this video informative and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.